Welcome everyone and congratulations on joining the IFBB Nordic Academy Fitness and Bodybuilding Coaching Fundamentals course. You have just taken an important first step toward building real knowledge in training, nutrition, physique development and coaching. Many people stay stuck for years because they rely on random social media advice, trends, and guesswork. By joining this course, you are choosing a more professional path. This program is designed to give you a strong foundation based on evidence, practical experience, and internationally recognized standards. Whenever your goal is to become a coach, improve your own physique, or simply understand fitness on a deeper level, you are in the right place. Today is the beginning of that journey. You made a smart decision by being here. Most people say they want results, but only a smaller group actually invests time into learning how results are created. Knowledge is often the difference between temporary progress and long-term success. By joining this free IFBB Nordic Academy course, you are now part of the global fitness and bodybuilding network that reaches across more than 200 nations through the IFBB structure. Allow me to briefly introduce myself. My name is Ville Isola and I work in several leadership and educational roles within fitness and sport. My work includes developing coaching education worldwide at the IFBB, but also supporting organizations and helping raise professional standards in the bodybuilding and fitness industry. My academic background is in sports coaching science, and my research focus has included physique athletes, bodybuilders, and performance development. Alongside, I have years of practical experience coaching athletes and helping people improve body composition and performance. So why this matter to you? Because this course is built from both worlds, scientific understanding and practical coaching experience. And that combination is powerful. Science tells us what tends to work, and coaching experience teaches us how to apply it with real people in real life. Throughout this course, my goal is to help simplify complex topics and give you tools you can actually use. IFBB Nordic Academy is the leading authority in fitness and bodybuilding education in the Nordic region. Our mission is not simply to hand out certificates. Our mission is to create knowledgeable, ethical, and capable professionals. We provide education pathways ranging from beginner level programs to advanced specialist certifications and elite coach development. What makes this valuable is that students can continue growing over time. You don't need to know everything today. You only need to start. Many people fail because they look for shortcuts. Professionals succeed because they build systems and continue learning. This academy is built for long-term development. The fitness and bodybuilding industry is growing rapidly, but also is confusion. Today, Anyone can post advice online. Some of it is useful, much of it is not. We see fad diets, unrealistic transformation, misinformation, and contradictory training methods every day. And this creates three major problems. First, beginners waste time. Second, people become frustrated when poor advice does not work. And the third, trust in the industry declines. And that is exactly why education matters. Our focus is not hype, is not trends, it is not empty motivation. Our focus is helping you understand principles that work repeatedly over time. When you understand principles, you no longer need to chase every new trend. Let's talk about what we stand for. First, we want every student to build a strong foundation. Great results are built on basics done consistently. Second, we combine science and practice. Research matters, but it must be translated into methods people can use in the gym, kitchen, and coaching environment. Third, we help people start correctly. Many people delay progress for years because they begin with poor habits or unrealistic plans. Fourth, we aim to build professionals, and that means competence, ethics, responsibility, and long-term thinking. A coach should improve lives, not just sell programs. And that is the standard we want to represent. This course is structured to build your expertise step by step. You will learn about muscle growth, including how training stimulates adaptation and how progress is created over time. You will learn fat loss principles and body composition management through science-based methods rather than crash approaches. You will learn recovery because training only works when the body can adapt. You will learn supplements, including what is actually useful and what is mostly marketing. You will learn coaching fundamentals such as communications, guidance, and helping others stay consistent. And finally, you will learn about career pathways, how knowledge can become opportunity. This is not random content. This is a roadmap. There are many certifications available in the market. Some are fast, some are shallow, some are built more for sales than for education. We take a different approach. Our standard emphasizes depth, structure, and real competence. We value evidence-based thinking, ethical coaching, clean sport values, and international recognition. And that matters because your reputation as a coach or professional is built on trust. Anyone can print a certificate, but true credibility comes from what you know, how you act, and how you help others. And that is the difference between a paper qualification and respected professional identity. This course is designed for several types of people. If you are a future coach, this gives you a strong starting point. If you want to become a personal trainer, it introduces the scientific foundation you will need. If you're an athlete, it helps you understand the why behind training, recovery, and physique progress. If you're a serious gym member, this helps you to stop guessing and start learning systematically. You don't need to be advanced to belong here. You only need curiosity, commitment, and willingness to improve. Momentum is powerful, so let's use it. Your first next step is simple. Continue to next lecture and then module 2 and begin learning the foundations of muscle growth and physiology. And second, download our IFBB Nordic Academy app for free from Play Store or App Store, so you can continue learning anywhere and stay connected to content. Third, join the monthly webinar session. Continued exposure to good education creates long-term progress. And fourth, explore future pathways such as IFBB Personal Trainer, IFBB Advanced Nutrition, or IFBB Advanced Resistant Training course, or IFBB International Competition Coach course, or our Master Coach programs. Remember, careers are rarely built in one moment. They are built one step at a time. And today is step 1. Knowledge builds confidence. Confidence builds action. Action builds results. And results creates opportunities. Whenever your goal is to transform your own body, help clients, compete at a higher level, or build a career in fitness and bodybuilding, it all begins with the learning the right fundamentals. Thank you for joining us and welcome to the IFBB Nordic Academy. Now we get to work.